Ada apa?
Just finishing up today.
Finishing up. Wah, lucky today. Lucky. Okay, come. Ada apa?
Okay, so this Volkswagen Arteon, we upgrade from the original Harman Kardon system.
Harman Kardon system. Okay.
To the STEG system.
Ooh.
So this is basically a SSDSP12.
Let's zoom in.
12 channel DSP.
Okay.
Okay. Hidden everything underneath.
Okay.
One S10 spare tire sub.
Let's test spare tire sub.
Front 3-way.
Front 3-way.
The rear 2-way and the center speaker all in original placement.
So now you're finishing up. Oh, you're closing up already lah.
Yeah, just finished doing it.
Oh, so this one put on top like OEM, kosong.
I can see nothing.
See, come, show a bit. Wow, clean. Wow, can put stroller, can put everything back in. Oh, not bad. Oh, still got this one some more. This one I think he buy one lah. The owner buy one. Okay. Wow, voila. Can put everything already.
Yeah.
Oh, settle. Oh, so good. So all hidden.
Yes. OEM style.
OEM style in a Volkswagen. Come, we go in front, see got what. Come. Okay, so we are here with Bernard on this Volkswagen Arteon OEM. So now we see behind, all hidden. Now we see in front. How hidden is it? Let's go. So, yep, no pillar. I mean got pillar, but nothing. So it's all back to the OEM location. So Bernard, so that one is a...
Okay, so for the original system,
Yep.
it has a 3-way setup.
3-way setup, okay.
So we replaced the tweeters with the QK1.
QK1?
STEG QK1. This mid-range with the STEG SFF1.
Right, okay, I'll show you later more of this one, okay.
And the STEG QK6 mid-bass.
Oh, so QK1, QK6 and the
FFF1.
Okay.
Okay.
Then behind?
So behind is the
behind also
QK65C.
Behind.
Two-way component by STEG.
Behind can't see. Wow, QK65C. What do you mean by QK65? Is different from the QK1 and 6 or what?
It's a different model. QK65C is actually a two-way component.
Two-way component.
Yeah, for QK16 is actually a full set of 136. So because this car I cannot fit the QK3 inside, I have to replace it with the SFF1.
Oh, okay. So the QK65C is a two-way component set.
Yeah.
It's a bit different from the 1 and 6 lah.
It's different.
It's a different build lah.
It's a different build. The base is slightly less power.
Less power. Okay.
Tweeter is almost the same.
Okay.
Basically it's like that. So it's designed to be a two-way rather than a three-way.
Okay, this one I also don't know. I thought 1 and 6 is always the two-way only. So actually they have one more inside there. One more series. So share me about the sauce lah. What sauce you use?
He's using the original head unit.
Wait, let me show you. So he's using original head unit, Apple CarPlay.
Yeah.
Oh.
So there's a center speaker here. STEG OEM.
Oh, one more center speaker here. I can see.
Okay lah.
Hidden, all hidden. Oh, macam ini saja. Okay. Come, let me show you the location. A bit clearer. Twitter. Okay, mid-range, mid-bass. All OEM at the door. Wow, see the door. Zoom. Okay, nice. Let's go for sound sampling lah. Let's go. Hey, standard sound sampling from Emma Hungry Bird. Let's go.